Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can orbit objects around the point in After Effects, where these light bulbs will revolve around the center point in a 3D way. Click on new composition, 1080p 60 fps, 15 seconds, click on OK, and then afterwards create a null object by right clicking on the left side of the timeline, new null object, which will act as the center point for the light bulbs. Right click on the layer, transform, center anchor point, right click, transform, center in view, just like this, so that it's positioned at the center. And then afterwards, drag this image of the light bulb icon that I mentioned earlier, any image will do, into the composition, just like this. You can even do some resizing so that it looks much smaller, just like this. Afterwards, you make 4 of them. Copy, paste, 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 just like this. There are 4 of them now. Drag the null object to the top, and then afterwards, turn them all into 3D by clicking on the boxes under the cube icon. And then change the view into top view, just like this. This will be positioned further in front. Go under it, transform, and then click on this one, title action save, and then click on this, click on grid, so that you can position the light bulbs neatly. To the front, drag the Z position, which is the back and forth position, just like this. And then when you're done, it will look like this. Yeah, it's positioned in front now. Make it stick with this horizontal line. And then for the back one, go under it, transform, and then drag it so that it looks like this. So that it's positioned at the back, just like this. And then for the left one, go here and then change the rotation, the Y rotation, into -90, and then drag it to the left, just like this one. And then for the right one, go under it, rotate the Y rotation to 90 degrees, and then position it again to the right, just like this. Alright, now change the rotation value back to 0 for the right one, and for the left one, change the Y rotation back to 0 degree again, and then connect them all with the null object. Drag the pick whip icon into the null object for each light bulb layer, just like this. Then you get to rotate the null object. Go under transform and then change the Y rotation. Make animation for the Y rotation by turning on the stopwatch. Let's say if you want the light bulbs to be rotated 4 times for 8 seconds. So go to 8 seconds and then change the rotation into 4, just like this. Change the view into active camera. When you're done, it will look like this. Oh, fancy. Fancy. Now you can rotate each light bulb layer so that each light bulb, all of the light bulbs, will face the same way to the front. So go under it, and then afterwards click on the, select them all, go under every layers, and then click on the stopwatch for Y rotation, and then at 8 seconds you change the Y rotation value into -4, just like this, and then it will look like this. Ooh, fancy. Now these light bulbs go around this center point, which is the null object, and they still face the same direction, which is heading towards the viewers, like you. That's how you can orbit objects around the point in After Effects. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.